Dan Dickson with Endeavour Silver Corp. I'm the CEO and been CEO now for about a year. The big milestones for Endeavour coming up is our Terronera project. So we're coming up to a project construction decision, hopefully here in Q2 of 2022. And ultimately be delivering on that project that will double our production profile and cut our cost profile in half. Key strategy is going to be mainly the development of Terronera, and then we got some development projects behind Terronera. So pushing our Parral project forward to economic assessment, and then also pushing Pizzeria that we had newly acquired to current resource, and ultimately put an economic study on that to fully prove out our pipeline. I think the biggest next step for investors, I mean, obviously we have our Q1 production coming out. We expect to be on kind of plan for the year. But again, it comes down to Terronera and our construction decision on Terronera, hopefully here in Q2 2022. Well, ultimately, I think what's going to set us apart is our Terronera project. When we put it into production, hopefully in H1 2024, it's going to be one of the lowest operating cost mines in the space. And ultimately, from a cash cost standpoint, it'll be in the lowest quartile. And from an all-in sustaining cost standpoint, it'll be in the lowest decile. Yeah, no, our team's been together for a long time at Endeavour. I got promoted to the CEO position in May of 2021, and ultimately we hired a new COO back in 2020 that's delivered on some key projects over the last kind of 15 years development. And for us, he came to us at a perfect time, and we went to the development of our Terronera project, and we've always worked very closely and well together, and I hope that continues for the coming years. Yeah, we're in great position financially. I mean, at the end of the year, we had over $100 million in cash. Our working capital was approaching 135. We did hold bullion on our balance sheet. We had no debt at that time. We are looking to put debt in place here in Q2 to help with the build of Terronera. So we'll put some debt on the books, which I think is good for our shareholders. And we recently announced a bought deal for $46 million. So we're in great financial shape at this time to hopefully develop our projects over the coming years. Found it good. It's been a busy week. There's no doubt about it, which is always a good thing. And Vegas has its own attributes to pull you away, but we've got some great investors we're talking to and having a good time.